Hi, I am Salim, CEO of SearchAmina.com, which is a business-to-business marketplace provide product, services, and companies in the Middle East and North Africa. The idea hit me when I was looking for business information online for my family business. But unfortunately, I got incorrect and irrelevant links. I decided to start an online directory to build up the business database of Syrian companies. 3 years later, I had 7 employees in 2 cities, and the vision expand to all MENA region. Then in 2010, I launched SearchAmina.com and got listed as a top 30 best Mediterranean startup in mid-venture 2010 in France. Today, one of the largest shareholders is Dubai Silicon Oasis Authority, Dubai government.
9 months ago, SearchAmina was selected by our incubation selection committee, and Salim is one of the first ventures that we got on board, and we're really excited about this opportunity. I've seen him grow enormously the past 9 months, and we are very excited that the Eureka crowdfunding possibility is now in existence in this region, so that investors like yourself can be part of this investment even with a small amount of money.
There are only 140,000 companies online in the Arab world, which is only 15%. That is such a small percentage compared to Turkey, which has around 1.3 million companies online. Now here we can see that there's a huge gap between the Arab world and in Turkey. And SearchAmina can gain an opportunity to go into countries like Saudi Arabia, which has the highest number of companies online, and go into Egypt, Morocco, and UAE. Now, SearchAmina's goal is to convert and to increase these numbers in the Arab world and make them visible online, and allow them also to actively engage in an online B2B marketplace. This is why it's so essential that we have a strong, complete online directory.
As you see from the previous introduction from Salim and Raquel, that there is a huge and massive opportunity inside SearchAmina. We aim to be the largest and strongest platform from B2B inside the MENA region. Currently, we are looking to raise a fund of $140,000 from crowdfunding. This cash will allow us to hire more and more people who can build this company to accelerate our growth and businesses inside GCC and MENA region.
We are very excited about the future of SearchAmina.
And this is now your chance to be a part of this success.